Alis kami. Pupunta kami sa pabaksin yung alaga namin po sa aso. Wait, honey, I need to wear my shoes. Nagulong ako. Wala lang. Ganyan lang, hindi lang ako nag-aayos. Bye-bye, Yesa. Sara mo dito, Honey, need to lock the door? No need. Honey. Where she is?
Oh, the key you don't bring.
Which key? I thought you want to buy already. Mapangit yung camera ko kasi malamig ko yan dito. Oh, ingay. Nabuhog ko nagurhong at hindi, nag-lipstick lang ako pero hindi ako nag-ayos. Ay, hindi ako nag-make-up. Lipstick lang. Minnie, say hi. Paturo ka namin ng vaccine. Ito na pa si Habi. Ay, Cloudy? Grabe yung buhok ko. Nagurhong. Open siya ng gate. Ano mali? Kasi mag-ano ako. Sit down tayo. Honey.
I don't know.
I don't know the place.
No, it's the first time.
Oh. Before when... Ah. Why, baby? My outfit is not good.
No, it's good.
It's good.
Good.
Do I look pretty? No. I'm not.
No, you look.
Seems not. Just forcing yourself.
I'm not forcing.